Thanks for joining me today. I'm going to show you how to make this adorable little card and finished off with the inside also. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, the very first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the flowers here with that creamy caramel. And this is a really cool technique that I've seen before and was really excited to use it on my own projects. And this is called Kind and Caring Thoughts. It's a Hostess set in the Idea Book and Catalog for this year. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to ink it up and I'm going to stamp it in the left-hand side, on the left-hand side of my Very Vanilla. And so I'm going to stamp it once, and then without re-inking it, I'm going to stamp off to give it that shadow effect. Very cool, huh? Okay, then I'm going to take the Happy Together. This is an adorable little stamp set with the quails, and I've clear mounted them. And I'm going to stamp this little quail on my Very Vanilla piece here with with chocolate chip. And it's so simple with the clear blocks. I'm going to mount him on my ruby red cardstock. I'm going to take a piece of grosgrain ribbon, and this is a tip I've showed before of cutting your ribbon the length of your project without wrapping it all the way around. You can adhere a little piece of adhesive to have it hold, and then you are going to sneakily put adhesive on the end, and like I did, I ran it off the card and then onto my ribbon to secure it. So you don't need the big long piece of your ribbon, but it looks as if you did. And then I'm going to take another small piece and tie my faux knot. So this gives it a really great effect without using so much ribbon. Alright, I'm going to use some dimensionals and adhere my little quail to the bottom right hand corner of my card. And then using the Close to Cocoa ink pad, I'm going to stamp FYI. Right, now I'm going to take my stamped piece with the quail, and I'm going to adhere it to a piece of creamy caramel. And adhere that to my Close to Cocoa card base. Alright, then for the inside, I'm going to take the flowers from the Happy Together that I also transferred to make them clear mount blocks, and what I did is I stamped the image from the rubber with black StazOn onto the gray back so that I could tell even with my block which one I've got. And I'm going to take the Close to Cocoa classic ink, and I'm going to just stamp the bottom border, like a border here, and then using chocolate chip, I'm just going to stamp I Care and adhere that onto a piece of ruby red cardstock. And right into my card. Hope you love it. It's can be any occasion. I think it turned out really great. Visit me at www.fancyNancyStampin.com for more tips and tricks and other ideas. Hope to see you again soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.